Welcome. We're diving straight into one of the most critical aspects of global intellectual property strategy, planning your family patent filing budget. Securing global patent protection involves a significant financial commitment. Understanding the cost structure and timeline is essential for effective budgeting. Let's immediately look at the cost and timeline for family patent filing. The process begins with the initial filing. This is often a provisional application or a PCT application, setting the foundation for your global strategy. Your first major expenses include patent drafting, typically by a specialized attorney, and the official filing fees paid to the patent office. Never skimp on professional advice early on. A well-drafted patent application drastically reduces issues and costs down the line, ultimately protecting your long-term budget. The next significant financial decision point is the national stage. Approximately 30 months from your initial priority date, you must decide which specific countries or regions, the national phase entries, you will enter to pursue patent protection. Estimated costs per country or region vary dramatically. These expenses encompass local legal fees, mandatory translation costs, and official government filing fees. This brings us to a crucial element of budgeting, the geographic prioritization strategy. You must analyze and identify the key markets where your invention will be commercialized or where competitors are active. This drives your filing priority. A smart strategy is phasing your filings. Prioritize core markets now and plan secondary or tertiary markets for later to help spread the financial burden. Don't forget the long haul, maintenance and recurring costs. Once your patent is granted, you will face regular annuity or renewal fees, which are required in most jurisdictions to keep the patent alive for its full term. Calculating the total projected budget over the patent's 20-year lifetime is essential. These long-term fees significantly contribute to the overall cost. In conclusion, proactive budgeting is the key to successful global patent protection. Smart budgeting involves prioritizing quality from the start, strategically phasing your national stage entries, and accurately forecasting long-term maintenance fees. Remember this final tip: always budget for the full life cycle of your intellectual property to ensure uninterrupted global coverage.